Guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the news is officially out that Tesla has started accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. And basically, this is a tweet done by Elon Musk himself. Now, first of all, what is the exact news? Elon Musk or Tesla has not started accepting Dogecoin for the Tesla car. This is acceptance of the Dogecoin for the merchandise. And now what all are the merchandise? Starting ranging from $50 to $1,900. It did not mention the specific merchandise. So in this video, we are going to quickly see what are the after effects of this and what does this mean. We need to understand the hidden meaning or what may lead when like mass adoption from the big people out there in the industry do. And in fact, like some of the companies adopting some of the coins or like some of the technology, and then people like Elon Musk adopting something like this, what it exactly means. So quickly, the 3 points, jumping on to number 1 would be this event, like this news gives backing to the entire crypto market after Tesla abandoning Bitcoin in May. As we all know, like Elon Musk tweeted in May of 2021 that okay, they are no longer going to accept Bitcoin, and this year itself they said that okay, we are going to actually accept the Bitcoin for the Tesla, and then suddenly like there was a U-turn within 2 months itself. So these are the kind of events which actually, I mean, it in fact led to a big crash. Like the Bitcoin went from $64,000 to eventually $30,000. It was like a rolling effect. Now again, like it cannot be like Elon Musk came again for the Dogecoin and he's going to back out. For the first time, it applies. Obviously, this time it's like entire reputation of Elon Musk is on the line. And anyways, he supports Dogecoin, so it's not very likely that he's going to do the similar kind of thing again. But the point is, a coin like Doge is being adopted and being supported by a billionaire to such an extent. Just imagine, like previously when a lot of people got skeptical of what the crypto industry might be, it might just go to doom and stuff. But then when the mass adoption is happening and events like this are happening, or probably Adidas partnering with one of the biggest sort of a thing, and then Facebook converting into metaverse, and which will very much use a cryptocurrency, that means blockchain technology is going to devour the entire world. Devour means obviously the whole world is going to be adopting to it, and Bitcoin is right now the king of it. So these kind of events definitely give backing to it. Apart from the jump in the price of the Doge, like suddenly it saw like 40% upliftment in the price of Doge. But that was just the news itself. Now, the second point is that this is just like 40% increment by the news of Tesla accepting that for the Dogecoin merchandise. But imagine with this build up and with investors getting interested into this Dogecoin investment and stuff, because obviously Tesla is one of the great company out there in the world. With all that build up, imagine once Elon Musk would go ahead and say, okay, even for the Tesla car, we are going to accept the Dogecoin. I mean, how much value will be driven towards it? Now, what is the lesson that we take from this? Does that mean that we go out there and just invest in the Dogecoin? Definitely not. Dogecoin is just a meme coin, but with so much of the backing, we need to understand that these kind of events uplift the entire crypto market. And then obviously, if you are planning to invest in a meme coin, obviously investing like Dogecoin would be one of the best bets, even better than Shiba Inu, because like obviously the reputation of somebody, of a billionaire, is on the stake. He would not let it go like to a crash. And right now the crypto market is going very, very low. In that circumstances, we saw a 40% pump. That's a big deal. And when the market recovers, Bitcoin goes higher, that's when we'll see a far major high in that. And the third point here needs to understand is that if meme coins, this was just a meme coin, by the way, guys. So if meme coins can become so valuable that probably a big billionaire is accepting for the company and stuff, then just imagine what will happen with the real use case coin. Like for example, the Matic Polygon with all their technologies, the Ethereum scaling solutions, Solana providing so many of the solutions, Avalanche providing layer 1 solutions, the layer 2 solutions. I mean, a lot of solutions are happening out there with a lot of coins. So if meme coins can become so much valuable, that's really giving a green signal to the other real use case coins. So apart from these kind of news would pump the Dogecoin. Apart from the fact that these kind of news would give stability and then further like a billionaire backing up one particular coin, there are a lot of after effects to that, and that is completely positive for the entire crypto market, as we saw. By the way, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about getting you financial freedom. That is what the goal of this channel is, and we will consistently ensure to produce the content which gives you knowledge where you understand how do you invest or how do you make money online, offline, every other way. In the future, we'll be covering a lot about metaverse, because that is where the big buck is going to be these days. Especially we are covering the crypto as well as a lot of other materials we have been covering in the past. In the future, we'll be covering everything related with the financial education for all of you guys. And thanks a lot for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below for the best takeaway. What do you think about Elon adopting Dogecoin? And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks a lot of you guys.